Behind the design, extrinsic rearfoot posts. This client needed a custom orthotic providing maximum stability and maximum lifespan. The aim of this orthotic was to provide orthotic reaction force in a device with maximum rearfoot stability and lifespan of materials. They used the DOLA Custom Orthotic service. They selected an extrinsic polypropylene rearfoot post from the rearfoot posting section on the DOLA Custom prescription form. Options included extrinsic poly or extrinsic EVA. A rearfoot post provides stability to the orthotic shell and allows for angulation in a varus or valgus direction. Modern CAD/CAM allows rearfoot posts to be milled directly into the shell or 3D printed into the shell, creating stability without additional material. An extrinsic poly rearfoot post, while not actually an extrinsic piece of poly, resembles a traditional extrinsic EVA rearfoot post shape, with a large flat plantar surface for maximum stability and contact area with the shoe. The forefoot remains stable and balanced even at high rearfoot post angles, removing the annoying rocking problem. Orthotip. Choose an extrinsic post when wanting the most stable rearfoot post, but ensure space is available in the footwear. A poly rearfoot post will have a longer lifespan compared to an extrinsic EVA rearfoot post, which may need replacing or refurbishing. Polypropylene extrinsic rearfoot post angles can be adjusted by adding rearfoot wedges or reduced with a grinder. A poly rearfoot post can be tapered to aid in footwear fit. Lab standard tapering is 30 degrees.